Let's see what's going on around the shop today. We have some grills getting sent off to powder coat. Looks like we have quite a few cages up here ready to get picked up. A couple raw ones, a few powder coated ones. This new textured anthracite color that we tried turned out really cool. Can't wait to see that on the razor. Matt just finished boxing up this roof for this roll cage that we're about to ship out. Looks like this is a super shorty for a 2-seat razor. We have a bunch of windshield frames ready to go to powder coating. Colby is scanning the test tube to make sure it is within tolerance. All of our tubing is CNC laser cut and then mandrel bent for precise fit. This incredible machine is essential to our production and allows us to keep the highest quality product in the market. We usually cut and bend about 30 to 50 of each cage style at a time to make sure we have plenty in stock for you guys. Speaking of in stock, we have plenty of our Pro as well as our XP1000 Sparco seat mounts in stock. In the back of the shop, we have Pete welding up a Turbo R roll cage so we can send it to powder coat. All of our bungs get TIG welded to the ends of the roll cage and everything else is MIG welded. Every single one of our roll cages gets welded on the same fixture to ensure a proper fitment. We have something new coming for you XP1000 and Turbo S guys as well. Stay tuned.